Hello my friends, today we're gonna take letter N. Its shape, its name, its sound, some few words about a letter N. At the end we're gonna take how to write letter N. Let's start. That's the shape of letter N. Capital case and lower case, capital and small. N sounds like N. N is for nuts, nuts. N is for net, net. We can use it to catch a fish. We can use it to catch a fly, something like that. Nail, nail. Here we use the hammer with the nail, nail and hammer. And needle, that's a needle. I can use it with a thread, that's a needle. Another needle, that's another needle. To net pullover, jumper, or anything, needle. N is for nest. This is the home of a bird where they lay egg. Birds lay egg in the nest, and we find the nest on a tree. Nest. Necklace. Who's wearing a necklace? I'm not wearing a necklace. Do you have a necklace? Necklace. N is for nose. Nose. N is for, we can say these are nails, but it's a fingernail. How can we write letter N? Let's see. Start from up to down, straight line from up to down, then go up again, sloping line to down to the right side, then go up again, down to the right side, sloping line, then go up again. Small n, how can we write small n? Straight line from up to down, and then go round to down. Small n, straight line from up to down, then go round to down. That's a small n. This is how we write letter N. Today's lesson is finished. See you next class. Bye.